Hi guys, welcome to Christmas Sundays. I cannot wait to share with you this box of goodies. I ordered, of course, from a store at Etsy called Paper Stockist. So, let's get started. So, as you can see, I have lots of different types of paper here that we can use for junk journaling, making cards, cutouts for journals, all kinds of fun things. So, we're going to start with this. This is Under the Tree 16 tags and cards. And they are by October Afternoon. This cute Rudolph and some deer. In this collection, it's listed as Jingle, and by Authentique, it has 16 double-sided papers and coordinated accents. Let's open it up. Okay, so here's Jingle. And these, I believe, are cutouts. You can pop them through and use them to decorate your journals with. Let's see how they pop out so easily? So this Jingle collection, this was pretty nice. I like this. I think my favorite Jingle, I liked this one the best. And I think the mugs of hot chocolate, because they have the little candy canes in them and the marshmallows, and on the back they have little marshmallows. So these were super cute. Okay, so that is the collection Jingle. And this group, this is by Echo Park Paper Company. And go ahead and open it up. This is nice. I like the gold shimmer. And you can actually make an advent calendar out of this, because it goes from the 1st through the 24th. That would be neat. Santa. And then here is a second one. Let's see what's on the back. Oh, this is nice. I like the pink. I love pink for Christmas. Pink and red. Oh, this is a really pretty collection. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so pretty. These poinsettias, these have the red and the pink. That is just beautiful. Oops, let me see what's behind. Just red. The deer have little bows on their necks. Super cute. So this Echo Park, I like this a lot. They use lots and lots of pinks and reds and greens. Very nice. Very, very nice. I love, love, love this Echo Park. This, I believe, is my favorite. So now we have Snow Fun by Cartabella. This has sort of a vintage vibe to it. This is a heavier cardstock. This is, the Echo Park was kind of hard, but it had a slickness to it. But this has sort of a thicker texture. Super cute. Chutes and ladders. Oh, very nice. Snowman Acres. Thin ice. There's a turn. Yes, I guess this is like Chutes and Ladders. Snowball Fort. Or is it like Candyland? I don't know. Both of those games are similar. There's Frosty. And that looks like Karen from Frosty. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is October Afternoon. A musical sheet, which is very pretty. And this is the back of it. So that was nice. And my last, which actually is my absolute favorite, because I don't really see this color much for Christmas. And it is sort of this, well, first of all, it's called Solitude. And it's by Authentique as well. 16 double-sided papers and coordinate accents. Let's open it up. Oh, wow. Look how pretty this is. Like I was saying, these colors are more of a muted teal and like a light sage green, forest green maybe, more Victorian. And you don't see this much in newer papers. You see it in a lot of old postcards. But these papers are brand new. And, oh, wow. Yes, this is just gorgeous. And you can cut these out, where you can leave it all together. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, look at this. And this is the slicker paper. This is much slicker. These snowflakes, just beautiful. This will make a fun color grouping for Christmas. Oh, look at this. So you could actually have this folded And then you open it up. You have that. Oh, look at this. This is like that twirl. Okay, when I put together my junk journal, I'm definitely going to use this, and I will probably, I haven't done one yet and I want to, but this has given me such inspiration that I think my first one will be with this, and I'll try to do it on my channel. Oh, look at that, pretty. I'm going to just real quick put one of each on and show you how fun this looks. I want this one for my first one. Okay, so check it out. So say if this was a signature, and you could open each page. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. This makes me so happy. What do you guys think? Okay, so here are the extra pieces where like you could poke out this circle here. All these embellishments. Okay guys, what was your favorite collection of these? Know that mine was this one, and there's so many. I need a bigger desk. Just a reminder, were these, which was Cartabella, and Echo Park, oh wow, Echo Park. I love that too. And then the last one is Jingle. So thank you everybody, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed looking at all of these beautiful Christmas papers, and stay tuned for next Sunday for another Christmas Sunday. Thank you. Bye-bye.